Diamond core drill bits. Rodolphe Lachat is often cited as being the inventor of the first core bit in 1863. 1. Early diamond drilling opened up many new areas for mineral mining and was related to a boom in mineral exploration in remote locations. Before the invention of the portable diamond drill, most mineral prospecting was limited to finding outcrops at the surface and hand digging. In the late 1970s, General Electric pioneered the technology of polycrystalline diamond compacts (PDCs) as a replacement for natural diamonds in drill bits. Diamond drilling exploration. Diamond drilling differs from another geological drilling in that a solid core is extracted from depth, for examination on the surface. The key technology of the diamond drill is the actual diamond bit itself. It is composed of industrial diamonds set into a soft metallic matrix. As shown in the figure, the diamonds are scattered throughout the matrix, and the action relies on the matrix to slowly wear during the drilling process, so as to expose more diamonds. The bit is mounted onto a core barrel which is attached to the drill stem, which is connected to a rotary drill. Water is injected into the drill pipe, so as to wash out the rock cuttings produced by the bit and also to reduce the heat produced due to friction, which causes less wear and tear of the bits. An actual diamond bit is a complex affair, usually designed for a specific rock type, with many channels for washing. The drill uses a diamond-encrusted drill bit to drill through the rock. The drill produces a core, which is photographed and split longitudinally. Half of the split core is assayed while the other half is permanently stored for future use and reassaying if necessary. Although a larger diameter core is the most preferred, it is the most expensive. The most common diameter sizes of the core are NQ and CHD76. Core extraction. Extraction of core using triple tube. Merely advancing the drill by rotary action and washing causes a core to be extracted inside the barrel as shown. However, at a depth of perhaps 300 meters, there must be a way to retrieve the core and take it to the surface. Constantly withdrawing the entire heavy drill pipe is impractical, so methods were developed to pull up the core inside the barrel. If the rock would always be solid granite, and the core would always break at the drill bit, then it would be a simple matter to stop the drilling, and lower a simple grabbing device by a wire and pull up the core. Unfortunately, many applications require an undisturbed core in fractured rock, which calls for elaborate wire line devices. Mineral exploration. Core drill bit. PDC bit is a new type of superhard material that is synthesized from cemented carbide and synthetic diamond polycrystalline under high temperature and high pressure. Compared with the traditional hard alloy drill bit, the drill bit produced by PDC has obvious advantages. Its service life is 10 to 30 times that of traditional hard alloy drill bits. PDC bit has the characteristics of good stability, long service life, and high drilling efficiency, and is widely used in coal preparation, railway, highway, water well, metal mine, excavation, quarrying, tunnel engineering, etc.